New fast charging Anker Nano that's ready to go wherever you do throughout the day. It's 3 times faster than the iPhone 5-watt charger. Charge an iPhone 11 to 53% in about 30 minutes. It's a little over 1 inch on each side. Look how small that is. And it's light too. The 60-watt Anker charger provides enough power to juice up a MacBook Air and an iPad Pro at the same time. The wall prongs flip closed to store in a travel kit. Use the included plugs for the US, UK, and Europe as well. These premium and braided cables from Anker are USB-C to Lightning and USB-C to USB-C. They provide the high-speed charging with the Nano and the 60-watt charger. Use the Anker Nano for your iPhone 12, which, as we know, does not come with the charger in the box. This is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Twitter. This has been supplied by Anker. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.